video. Today we'll be playing Animal Hospital. I lose my account, so yeah. And if you're new to the channel, hit that like and hit that subscribe button. Alright, y'all guys ready? Oh my gosh. I don't even know what to do. Check page. Yeah, she looks pretty no. Why is her chest like that? Now we look at that. That's no way, dog. They let she just like that. Or I might be just lagging. I must be lagging. They get a PC inside it? Nah, bro. Treat the patient. What do you want? Okay. Make sure no anomalies. Now I will check in with the next patient. Oh, I'll check in. Don't worry, don't worry. I didn't see paper because this man. Yep, you look nice. You look nice. But wait, let me check the cameras. I forget how to check the camera. Can't buy the gun. I'll take this. Talk. Come. You got room too. I said come before I shoot you. Wait, I don't have no gun. How supposed to shoot you? Anyways, enough talking with that. Yes, follow me into your room and where you will be diagnosed. If I see any creepy crawlies, you dead. Okay. Hmm. You need the where are they? Okay, I'll find that. Oh, easy. Please don't eat me and take off my body, cause that patient is dead. And oh my. Alright. Let me see what's going on. This room, this. You get room 3? Yep, he did. Follow me right this way, sir. Nah, that was embarrassing. Okay, don't talk about that. Watch your mouth. Okay, what do you want, you ugly? Fine. Can't call my patients ugly. Because they are not ugly. They're just... Actually, they do look ugly. You done? Patient. Hop on the bed. Hop on the bed. Hop on the... hop on the bed. Hop, 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 hop. Okay, Don, please get out of this hospital and please come back because I feel like someone is watching me and they're not. And I have to check what is going on the front. Okay, shut it down. I said shut. I said shut it down. Shut it down. Shut it down. Let me stop. Oh my gosh. No way, dog. Yeah, strawberry. Yeah, oh my. This. Oh my. On a scale 1 to 10, I never see somebody more stupid than them people. Those are ouchie little stupid anomaly. Here's somebody gonna come and kill me because these stupid people. We need a band-aid. Is what you need? A band-aid, yes. Yo, what you doing to the mom, boy? Nah. Hoppity, 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 hoppity. Okay. You feel better now? After that demon take over your body? You feel better? Mm-hmm. Next one, please. Anybody next? Hello? Nobody next. Bro. Show me who's next, bro. Or we done dead. Because this, yes, you, I know you're AFK. You, let the man in. Bro. What is bro doing? The doctor is arriving home. Doctor, these mad people, right? They let in an anomaly where they're not supposed to. I don't know. Yeah. Talk to them, please. All right. All right. I does that sound patient treated. Man, I want the gun. Bess. Bro, get your fucking ass out of here. Like you stupid. God, you stupid self, yo. Okay, okay, okay. Don't open that. Don't open that. Don't open that. No service. Okay, go on. Please be normal. Please, 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 please. Okay. Let me see. Let me take a photo. Please be normal. Okay, normal. Alright, you're doing great. You're doing great. Then, please. Alright, you got to go. Come, follow me. Come to room 8 for me. Yep, right here. Yes, follow me here. Yes, yes. Oh gosh. First 5% of death? Nada. Hurry up. 5 years later. Finally walking. You done? Okay, you are done. Surgery. You want duh? Oh, is duh you want? Good. Alright, what next? You can't make this. I fast. I fasted it. Can't do me duh. What next? Alright. Too fast duh. Next one. Duh. Catch duh. What next? Go over there. Collect it. Oh my gosh. Collect it all. Come on, guys. Come on, come on. I think I got reset. Let me reset. I know. Oh my gosh. I can't. I reset. I return in 10 seconds. What do you mean by that? It means I going back in the game or I going back in the main game. Of course it's done. Anyways, see you guys later and drop a sub.